Because if it's going to work right now, it will definitely work when people are in the market 100% for pressure washing. When you put your logo on yard signs and make it more brandable, and this should be a surefire sign. Not getting customers right now, you do not have your marketing completely dialed in. Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy JP here, back with another video. So today we are getting ready for the 2025 pressure washing season, man. I hope just like everyone else. And if you're not, here's some tips on what you can do to get ready for the season. Man, first things first is we got yard signs, okay? Now these are the yard signs that I currently have and have been using for the 2024 season. Now, how am I using these to get prepared? Man, I gotta change up the design on these. These are 18 by 24. These can be full color. By the way, if you do need yard signs at the best price, I promise you this is the best price. You don't have to go on these other websites, click on options and get fooled because the price is going to go up on you. I have the best priced yard signs. I can get you ready, help you design everything, link in the description. But this yard sign right here, it did all right for me this season, but you know, as I drive by them and realize that yard signs are changing, you know, the typical normal looking yard sign does still work. But personally, I feel, especially if you look at Christmas lights, for example, the more intricate designed yard signs, you know, the ones that are literally full color, they tend to stand out a little bit more. And I think the days of just slapping a random phone number, not branding your yard sign and things like that, I feel like those days are kind of slowly dwindling away. And I feel like it is more beneficial to add a brand. Like you can see here, we added our website at the bottom here. I don't know if it's actually flipped right now because of the camera. Don't call this number, by the way. Okay, this is a business number. I do have a number you can text. I'll leave that in the description too. But my website's the best form of contact. But regardless, man, you can see we put our website down here. And what I'm going to do though is actually put our logo somewhere on it, make it a little bit more visible, because what people don't realize too is if you're running digital marketing, which you should be doing, if you're running digital marketing, it should be targeted, especially for your area. And when you put your logo on yard signs and make it more brandable, that is literally just pushing your brand even more, right? Because people are going to be driving and, you know, yard signs are kind of hit or miss as it is already, but if it's a noticeable yard sign, people will have more chances of calling you. And on top of that, if you do have your brand already on the yard sign and then they see it, let's say on Facebook, YouTube, whatever, they will be even more likely to call you because it's like they've seen it before. It's familiar, right? So it adds more credibility to your business. So we're going to try that this time around because, man, we pushed these out hard this season. And, man, I'm going to be honest, it did not convert as much as my Facebook ad strategy. Okay. So that's actually the second thing I'm doing to prepare for the 2025 season. And I'll pop up some screenshots here, but I am getting my Facebook ads prepped and ready, man. Like the way I kind of look at it, especially right now, it is November 16th. If you are running Facebook ads currently and you are getting customers consistently, like I am, you are doing something right. Okay. And the reason I say that, man, because I know a ton of people right now. One, they've called it for the season, but two, they have stopped showing up to the pressure washing store, man. They just, nothing is working for them right now because their marketing is just not dialed in. It is the slower season, okay? It definitely is. But if you are not getting business in this season and you're trying to, you are doing something wrong, okay? Because there are still people looking to get their house pressure washed. Now, do mind, this is per area. I'm in North Carolina, so it's completely different. But if you are in an area that has, you know, a warm season in the winter, you should still be getting customers. And this should be a surefire sign that if you are not getting customers right now, you do not have your marketing completely dialed in, especially digitally. And so right now I'm actually optimizing my Facebook ads even more. And then once I see that even more consistent leads, then I'll know, okay, this is the method I should use come February, March, April, the 2025 season. Because if it's going to work right now, it will definitely work when people are in the market 100% for pressure washing when the pollen comes and things like that. So dialing in your stuff right now and testing is huge, especially if you're not even working right now. You know, if you 100% can't get jobs right now, if it's too cold, you don't want to run your equipment, that's fine. But even if you're just looking to fill some days and just get, you know, some money, but you're still taking off most of the month, you should be trying different digital marketing methods and dialing it in. Or if you do want to hire someone professionally that is doing this, I've been doing this, done this for multiple businesses and scaling my pressure washing business, you can hire me to do your Facebook ads. I will create a foundation and teach you how to grow your Facebook ads from there, or you can hire me to run your Facebook ads full time. But this is the perfect time to run things on digital marketing and try to find out what works for your company. Okay. The third thing is, it kind of ties with the first one with the yard signs, is making better business cards, man. Making better business cards, making better flyers, getting door hangers in, because guys, this stuff still works, you know, working with postcard companies, this stuff still works. Tried and true, man. And the way I'm trying to essentially implement this kind of thing is make it more unique. Okay. So for example, I was watching a YouTube video the other day and I saw someone had metal business cards. Okay. Free game right there, guys. Yes, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but a metal business card, especially one that looks awesome, or just any kind of intricate business card, is going to stand out, and people will not throw these things away, I promise you. Like, who the heck is going to take a piece of metal that looks like it is quality and throw that sucker in the trash? It makes no sense. So they're going to most likely put it in an office drawer or put it somewhere, and when they run into it in the spring, that's business for you, okay? That will permanently be in their home. Also, I'm going to be making sure I'm dialing in on my SMS marketing, email marketing. You know, the customers that I previously had need to know, hey, I'm here, I'm still in business. And I've worked in ties from this season with a Google reviews method I've been doing that also is going to help them. Okay, so I'm going to have a ton of customers contact me in the spring because I helped them out in the fall, in the winter. Right? So these are things, you know, that you just got to plant your seeds, man. You got to get prepared. But most importantly, if you are looking at your marketing and you have been trying things for years and you are not seeing the results that you want to see, you know, they say this, doing the same thing over and over and over and over again is insanity. Okay. And you don't want to be insane. We're already insane enough doing this pressure washing stuff, right? But you don't want to be insane trying to do the same marketing techniques. You need to improve, because truth be told, a lot of people are improving, man. And those are the people that are getting the leads, that are standing out more and that are making the most money. So, and again, guys, if you need help designing yard signs or designing business cards or anything like that, my website's the best way to get a hold of me. Hit the link in the description or text the number that I put in the description and you can get a hold of me. Do not call these numbers. I will not pick up. I just simply won't. Okay. Or if I'm on the phone, man, I gotta go. Okay. These are for my pressure washing customers, and for my personal life. Okay. So please do not call. I mean, if you want to, man, but like, come on, dude. Like, you know, let's just be honest. You wouldn't want me calling you at a random time if I'm not money ready, you know, let's go. And that's how my marketing is, man. You know, when I got a customer calling me, they most likely already know the price, they know what's going on, and they are qualified. Okay. So that's, you know, that's why my methods are really good. So anyways, guys, I hope this video has added value, and man, I am praying that you make a bag in 2025, man. And if you want to gain more value, just subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Like, if you've watched this far, especially, you like the content, you like the value, you might have learned something, and I'm going to put more content out like this. This channel is not going to go anywhere. But I will say, YouTube might not recommend my next video, and that could be the one that makes you thousands of dollars. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.